We're here today at Ulster Springs. We're going to be helping the community. I'm here with a bunch of nurses, doctors, dentists. We have an OBGYN on deck here, also some other volunteers. And looking forward to helping people here and hoping to make a change, make a difference, because that's what JAHJAH Foundation is about.
The Newark Beth Israel Medical Center has once again extended its spirit of charity as its faculty and staff spearheaded JAHJAH Foundation's Mission for Change 2017. The JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home, was founded by a Beth Israel emergency physician, Dr. Trevor Dixon, after he was sponsored by the hospital in 2010 to visit Israel. On his return, Dr. Dixon realized the importance of volunteerism and charity. He has since beckoned Jamaicans and friends of Jamaica to get involved and donate their time, funds, and services to the underserved citizens of Jamaica. The mission team of healthcare professionals includes nurses, physicians, dentists, technicians, and other specialists. These volunteers are primarily from other countries, and many of them return annually to serve and support the mission in Jamaica. Newark Beth Israel Medical Center has not only provided manpower, but has donated numerous well-needed medical supplies over the years. Of note, they were the first to donate an ultrasound machine to the Kingston Public Hospital, which is the major public healthcare facility in Jamaica, serving the entire island. We salute the leadership of the Newark Beth Israel Medical Center for its spirit of charity and volunteerism through the JAHJAH Foundation.